Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send XDC from MetaMask in 2025. If you're new here, XDC is the native cryptocurrency of the XinFin network, and it's gaining popularity for its fast and secure transactions. MetaMask, on the other hand, is a user-friendly wallet extension that lets you manage various cryptocurrencies right from your browser. Whether you're sending XDC to a friend, investing, or trading, this guide will get you up and running in no time. First things first, make sure you have MetaMask installed on your browser. If not, head over to the MetaMask website, download it, and create or import your wallet. Once that's set up, you need to add the XDC network to MetaMask. Go to the Network dropdown in MetaMask, select Add Network, and enter the details for XDC mainnet. The RPC URL is something like https://rpc.anchor.com/xdc. The chain ID is 50, and the currency symbol is XDC. Double-check these details on the official XinFin docs to avoid any errors. Now that your network is added, ensure you have some XDC in your wallet. If you don't, you might need to buy it from an exchange and transfer it over. Next, open MetaMask and switch to the XDC network. Click on the Send button. Then enter the recipient's XDC address. Remember, crypto addresses are case sensitive, so copy-paste carefully to prevent sending to the wrong place. In the amount field, type how much XDC you want to send. Keep an eye on the gas fees. XDC transactions are usually low cost, but they can vary. Review the transaction details, and if everything looks good, hit Confirm. You'll see a pop-up to approve the transaction. Make sure your wallet is secure and you're on the right network. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, you're all set. It should only take a few seconds to a minute. Always check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like xdcscan.io to ensure it went through successfully. A quick word of caution. Crypto is irreversible, so verify addresses and amounts before sending. If you're new to this, start with a small test transaction. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. See you in the next video.